Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send files on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first that you should know that you can send files on Snapchat itself, but you can use third-party apps. I recommend you to hop out Snapchat for now and open up App Store. Then just search for Drive or Cloud Drive, and then it will show you some apps that you can use to upload your files. I use Google Drive. You can download and install that app. It is absolutely free, and once you did that, just hit Add Open. When you open this app first time, it will ask you to enter your Google login and password, and once you did that, just hit right here where it says Files, and then in order to upload some file, just hit add that plus sign. Now you can select a folder, or you can hit Add Upload to upload some photo or video from your device. You can also use your camera to take a picture and then upload it. I'm just gonna hit Add Upload, then Photos and Videos. That opens up my device's albums. I can select now any photo or video, so you can just checkmark some photo or video. You can checkmark multiple files at the same time, and then just hit Add Upload. Now the video is being uploaded to Google Drive, and after it uploaded, you will be able to share this file. The file has just been uploaded, and now let me show you how you can easily find that file. You can scroll down to find it manually, but if you have a lot of files here, it can be difficult for you to find the file. So you can use search to search by file's name, or you can hit right here at Home and then just refresh home page, and that shows you all your uploaded files that are sorted by date from newest to oldest. So the last uploaded file will be always at the very first position. So now you can just hit at this three dots icon, then hit Add Share. Then tap at this two persons icon just under the Manage Access. And right here, do not forget to hit Add Restricted and switch it from restricted to anyone with the link. So from now, anyone with the link will be able to get access to that file. You can select permissions and switch it from viewer to commenter or editor. I recommend you to keep viewer checkmarked, and then you can just hit at that link icon that copies link to this file to the clipboard, and now you can hop out Drive app for now and open up Snapchat. Then just get into some conversation, and now you can just paste this link to this text field and then just send it to your friend. And then the recipient will be able to hit at that link and then hit at that download icon to download this file on their device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.